Nathan Heaney will be fighting Brad Pauls, and Nathan Heaney is 18-0, while Brad Pauls is 18-1. This is for British WBA Continental Middleweight title, and Nathan Heaney is on a great streak. He's 34 years old, but this guy out of Staffordshire was better than Denzel Bentley, Jack Flatley on 2 occasions, Diego Ramirez, Laji Yanin, Konstantin Alexandrov, but Brad Pauls is a high-level prospect. 30 years of age, fighting out of Essex, he was better than Michelle Frierson, Patrick Polasic. Lost to Tyler Denny, but this guy rarely finishes. That's the problem. I believe this is going to be a technical war. Going with over 8.5, but I would risk when it comes to side call. I think Brad Pauls is going to win him via decision. I think Haney is not in his prime anymore, and new generations are coming. I think this is the chance, the life opportunity for Brad Pauls.